I will talk about how can you disable end of requests on your Amazon Alexa app. We will to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do is so you just go down, click here on more down here, and just click here on more. So then it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do, just click on settings. Then it's going to take you to next tip here. Then all you have to do, you just click here on device settings here. So then you come to next tip here, click here on Alexa on this phone, come to this list here. So then you click here on sounds. Sorry, you go down, click here on sounds here. Then it's going to take you to this list. Come here to start of requests. Sorry, you come here to end of request here. Click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean end of request. It's disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.